how to use linear app. Hey everyone, in this video, I am going to explain everything step by step from what is linear is, how the dashboard works, and finally how to create and manage issues. So whether you are a student, freelancer, or part of dev team, this video will help you to get started with linear with confidence. Now, alright, so what exactly is linear app? So linear is product management and issue tracking tool, kind of like a Jira, but more faster, cleaner, and more modern. It is designed for team who build software, so developers and designer and product manager can use this, but honestly anyone can use it. You can use it. You can use it to track bugs, plan products, features, and manage tasks and collaborate with your team all in one place. So think of it like a smart to-do list for teams, where you can break down your big goals into small and actionable issues. Now let's get started. First thing first, what you have to do is just come to or this app in the linear.app and simply sign up with your Google or email. If you have already signed up, then simply click on this login button. I have now what I will do, I'll just simply click on this sign up, and you can connect with Google as well. If you have a uh, email, you can connect with that too. Just simply click on the connect with the Google and sign up. So there we go. It will ask you about your workspace name. Workspace are shared environments where your team can work on projects like cycle and issues. Now give a workspace name. For example, I will do maker workspace. This is a URL of your workspace and just simply click on the create workplace. Now it will take you to the workspace dashboard. Give few more seconds. Welcome to linear. Click on the get start. Now you have to choose your style. I will choose the dark one. Uh, Click on the continue. Meet the command menu. Complete any action in a second by typing into the command menu. Try opening the command menu with Control K. Just simply continue. You can connect with the GitHub as well. So what I will do, I will just simply click on the I will do this later. Now you can invite your co-workers as well. Just simply copy this link if you want to invite someone, or you can invite from your email as well. Just simply click on the continue. Now you can subscribe their newsletter as well. Like you can go and follow them into X. But for now, I will go for continue. You are ready to go ahead. Now you can just simply select any of this and open with linear. It will take you to this dashboard where you will get to see a lot of things and little bit confusion. So let's explain this dashboard. So you have got your menu navigation panel. In the left side, you will get to see that. Now, if you talk about the inbox, so inbox is basically this is where all updates come in, kind of like a notification center for you. Now, if you go into my issues, so basically this is where you will see all tasks assigned to you. Now if you want to create a new issue, you can create as well. No issue assigned to you, so it will see empty. Now if you go into workspace, this is a workspace section. From here you can create your for project from here. Now you can simply click on the create new project. And if you go into views, so views is a basically you can create custom views using filter to show only the issues or projects you want to see. You can save, share, and favorite these views for easy access and faster team collaboration. Now, if you go into more, you will get to see the teams and members you can add, remove them from here. Now, in your team, there is an option of workspace section. This is here you can manage project views and more. Like now, under your team, this is under your team. We see our current teams like Maker workspace. This is our first workspace. Now, inside that we have tabs like issues, projects, and views. So issues is like this. you can create these issues. Welcome to linear, 3 ways to navigate linear command in menu. So I think you can create it. If you want to add a new issue, just simply click on this right corner in the plus icon. You can create a new issue. Now you will also see a try section in the bottom, as you can see here, which gives quick options to import issues from another platform. You can invite people, and you can link GitHub as well, as you can see here. Now in the center, if you want to, for example, in the center, if you go back into your project and issues, so in the center you are seeing the main workspace where task live. Right now it is showing simple to-do list. As you can see, as I explained, each line is called an issue and basically a task or ticket. For this example, there are 9 tasks, and these are mini guides to help you to get started. Now, all right, let's now to create our first issue together. So what you have to do is, on the right side of the main section, click on a small icon, which is over here, and create a new issue. Just simply something one pop-up appears. Let's walk through what it asks. Now, first you have to give the issue title. Give a task name like a fix login bug or update landing page, whatever you want to give. So I will do update landing page. And then you have to add a description. Over here you can write details about what needs to be done and what attach files or mention people if you want to. Now just simply add a description. I will add the exactly description, but I will type test one. Now in the team, where you can make sure it's under the correct team. Here, like, you have to make sure it is under the correct team. Here it, like, as you can see here, we are in the correct. Now from here you can assign as well. Like if you want to assign me, just simply select and you can search someone over here as well. Now from here you can change the status of this issue as well. Now in progress you can give it. Now in priority section, you can rank this priority. For example, if it is urgent, you can simply just click on the urgent and you can select over here. Now you can labelize as well. You can say, and you can say, like, if this issue is very like high, then you can select high. Now just simply click on the create issue. Let's say if you want to set a due date, you can customize tomorrow. I will choose tomorrow. So, and again, make a recurring. You can create multiple due dates as well. For example, don't repeat, or again, like you can make again. So this is a repeat every day. If you want, you can do that. Now just simply click on the create issue. Now, as you can see here, this is urgent, due date is tomorrow, and you can add a sub issues as well over here, as you can see here. Now, if you want to add project over here, you can create new project in the issue as well. Now, if you want to change the label, for example, if you want to say it is a bug, then just simply click on the bug, improvement, and yeah, you can do a lot of things over here. Now, so this is how you can create issue. Let's say if you want to create a project into a linear, what you can do in the left side, there is a option of project. Make sure you are in your team, like as I make sure. Now, if you go into workspace, this is like a public one, but let's say if you want to create a project for your team, you can create by just simply clicking on this. Click on the create new project. Now, first you have to give your project name, a project name, and then you can add a short summary. Test one over here. I will just simply add this short description. You can write a brief description of this project or collect ideas if you want. Just simply add text. For this tutorial, I'm adding just small text so the tutorial not get long. Now, if you want to change project status, you can just simply click on it. If it is backlog, if it is planned, in progress, you can uh, give as much. You can give status as well. Now, let's say if you have a priority, if it is urgent, then click on the urgent. If the priority is too low, then just simply click on the low. And let's say if you want to like set a lead, for example, user from this project team is tech. Now if you want to add members, you can add it from here. You have to search their name, username, or email address. Now go to dependencies. You can add dependencies from here. For example, mark as a block by, or you can create a lot of things. Now go to start date. This project will start from 7th May to target is our 15th May. And you can create milestone as well. For example, first milestone is first milestone or first milestone. Add one more if you want to add one more milestone, you can add that. Now if you want to give if you want to set the date to this milestone, you can just simply click on the right side and just select the date. Now if you want to add one more milestone, you can add that to second milestone. So this is how you can create your project. If you want to give again a date, choose the date and create a project. So as we can see, we have successfully created our first project. The priority is low and the leader is this one. The status is 0%. You can see there are milestones as well. So yeah, milestone you can see over here. Now let's say if you want to go to view. So this is where you can create a custom views using filter to show only the issues or project you want to see. Just simply click on the create new. From here you can choose your issue or a project. I will choose this one. And yeah, this is how you can choose view to a specific project or issue if by just filtering out. Uh, let's say let's say we select this issue, and then from here you can display display by status grouping, and yeah, you can do a lot of things over here. And that's it. Now you know exactly what linear is, how to use the dashboard, and how to create your first issue. If this video helped you, to don't forget to like and subscribe and leave a comment if you want to uh, full using if you want a full video on using project and cycle inside the linear. Just comment it down and I will make the video. Thanks for watching.